I'm not sure how well I'm going to be able to film this as it's just started to rain. I'm wanting to change or replace my old washer pump out of my Ford Falcon Ute, which has seized up. If you can, you can't really see in there, but inside there it's all a bit rusty and the pump wasn't working. Uh, it's interesting, the washer pump is actually installed behind the passenger side front wheel well. You got to remove these three screws, pull the panel forward, and it's easy access. But just out of interest, this is a generic OEM pump, or not OEM, it's a generic aftermarket pump, and it's exactly the same size dimensions as the Ford one. I went to Ford last week and got a price on the pump, and I was horrified. It was $96 for a washer pump, the original part, but this one cost $19 or $20 from Autobahn. So here I go. I'll quickly try and change this. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to film while I do it, but I'll film where it goes. It was pretty easy to take out. There's the electronics clip pulled out. You pull the rubber hose off this. This rubber grommet was installed like so. Seems to have a little bit of a filter on it, and then that plugs straight into the washer. So here we go. So it's behind this wheel panel here. I'll try and pull it off, and as you can see, the motor is pretty easy to access. The pump bottle is there, and I'll clip it in and try. So that's with the connections in. The electrical connector goes on top, and the hose to the jets goes in the side. This thing just plugs into the reservoir. So if we can see in there, just plugs back in. It's gone in pretty tight, and because of the rain I can't really check if I've pushed it in far enough. It just clips back in. The reverse procedure to take it out. Thanks for watching.